In this video, we will look at how to quickly animate an item that we have added to our slides in Keynote. In this case, we are going to animate the bear that is on our slide. So the first thing you want to do in order to animate is tap to select your shape. So you'll see that there is the blue line around and the blue little dots to show that I have my shape selected. When I do that, I will have a menu that goes right above that image, and you will want to tap to select Animate at the end. When that opens up, you'll see that there's now a blue banner across the top and some options at the bottom. So in this case, you have Build In, Action, and Build Out. Build In means you are going to bring something onto your slide. Add Action just applies it right then. And Build Out means you're adding an action that will take that object off of your slide. So what we're going to do is we are just going to start with the middle option, Add Action. So go ahead and tap on that. Once you've selected Add Action, you'll see that you have a few choices here on what you can do and apply to your shape. So in this case, we're going to start super easy, and we're going to do the first one that says Create Path. When I tap on it, my little shape, my bear, will now have a red dot in the middle, and there's going to be a new menu down at the bottom. The first circle has a kind of curved line to it. That means that I can create a smooth motion for my path. The second one is a very jagged zigzag line. That means it's going to be straight line movement. And then I have my clear and my done button. So I'm going to keep it on my smooth line, and I'm just going to move my bear over here. And so that action is going to happen really fast. What I'm going to do is at the top on the right, I'm going to press preview again so we can see it. And then I'm going to go ahead and press done at the bottom. After I press done, I'm going to tap again where it says motion path action in the middle of my tools. And this lets me make some changes. You'll see I have my play button, which lets me preview again. And then the second item there says duration. So if I want that action to take longer, I will slide my number over to make it larger. And that means, let's see, if I put it on 4, that means that action is going to take 4 seconds for it to complete. So let's click on the preview again. So you see my bear moves a little slower, might look a little bit more natural. The next thing I want us to look at here is going to be the start. So the start says on tap. That means if the action is going to happen, I have to tap on my screen to make it happen. It's a lot easier if we go ahead and change that to after transition so that it happens automatically. So once we check off after transition, we can go back to the main screen. And if I need to make any other changes like redrawing the path or deleting this animation completely, I can make that change there. And once I'm done, I can press done on the upper right. And when I click play, you'll see it does it automatically. So that's going to be where I can do a simple animation.